My people they talk say people they watch your videos, say make you they post, people they watch. So on this 30 days run challenge, now so one person come out publicly tell us say make we do massive unfollow for any influencer we no go chook their mouth for this 30 days run video. Now so all the influencers go they run kitty kata kata, they do video. Beauty Goddess, this is Purple Speedy own, this is Celine. Like even Crips that all of them don't they run kitty kata kata, they do video. But before I talk my mind, make we listen to waiting all of them talk.
Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on what time you're seeing this video. I don't like talking videos, but you see this particular one, I must stop because it is affecting everybody. Thinking about it, can we just go back to the time where a sachet water was sold for 10 naira and a bag sold for 120 naira, or the time where pads were affordable? The other day, I saw a young girl around my side. She went to get something and the tissue she used for her period fell off outside. Because I called her attention to it, she picked it up and then she went to get another tissue to change up. That was weird to me. And then I called her and asked her why a young girl like her was using tissue as pad. She told me that her mother could not afford it because it was so expensive. And that made me feel so sad because even the cheapest pads are not even cheap anymore. Foodstuffs are now super expensive, or how prices of things go up and never come down. And also as a content creator, data is now super expensive and it doesn't even last you to do anything. Everyone is literally affected one way or the other. Like, it is not even funny anymore because even school fees are super expensive. Everything is expensive, like literally everything. 100k in this country cannot last you to do anything anymore. Is it until it gets worse than this that's when they know that we are tired? Like, it is just so frustrating because these are basic things like water, food, hygiene, and even staying connected. Like, how did we get here?
Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when you are seeing this. I hope you guys are doing very well. As regards the 30 days rant, I've seen a lot of people say that influencers are not speaking up, they're not saying anything, which is totally justified. Like, it's very understandable because that's what the country needs right now. But this is a two-way thing, to be honest, because even the lady that stood up, that spoke as regards everything, you people bashed her. You brought up things to just diminish what she was trying to do. I feel like we Nigerians have a way of fighting ourselves instead of uniting to fight the actual problem. But then we have to speak because all of us are going through the same thing. A closed mouth is a closed destiny. Honestly, the government needs to do better because we have reached the stage where people's salaries are used to cook a day's food, and it's no joke. I send money at home and it's not enough. It's from this, the price of this. I don't even want to speak about the steady increments in the price of fuel. See, that's why boats are so expensive. If you move from here to here, 22k, how much are they paying coppers? 22k. See, if Nigerians say we have had enough, and it's the truth. Because we are always adapting. Once they bring this one, we adapt. We can't do it anymore. Please, if you say you have our interest at heart, look into all the complaints that have been stated and make this country a better and more conducive place for everybody to stay. Please.
It is so unfortunate that it is 2 a.m. in the morning. See? At which midnight safe, and there is no light. If not for this light, if not for this rechargeable influencer lights, what would I do? This is becoming really, really serious. Hold on. Let me online. I can't take it though. Some of you think people are not suffering. Some of you think because people are keeping quiet, they are not actually seeing shege. I am personally seeing shege every day. Just yesterday, I said let me make spaghetti. I enter market. I see myself spending 25,000 naira to make spaghetti. A crate of egg is how much? I'm one of those persons that left home to make sure I hustle and make it. And I'm not even done hustling, and the economy is this bad. In 2027, 2030, how is this economy actually going to look like if things are going this way? If you can't just comfortably enter the market and say, okay, I'm going to spend 5,000 naira in buying this or buying that. How much is Indomie now? How much is a crate of egg now? Let's not even talk about the cost of transportation. Public or private or rental, it is very pricey. Even getting a car is very, very pricey now, and sometimes you see yourself working so hard and you're not really getting anything. It's really unfair. Everybody is seeing shege. I can't even comfortably say, oh, let me make my hair and it will last for 2 weeks. I'll still go back and the price of attachment is same thing. Why I cut my hair? I cut my hair because say you don't too much. If you even sick self to go hospital, go they fear you because you go end up spend like 300, 400, 500k. Since I dey inside they sweat, my nyash they sweat like goat. Before money enter my hand, I go sit down calculate. Wetin I go actually use this money do make I no go spend money wrongly. My house, the MC, I never stock my house because to enter market, they fear me. I remember when I was so excited to enter adulthood, and right now I am in adulthood and I am tired. I just want to go back to my parents' house. Take me back to those days where you can use 5,000 naira and cook a very delicious stew. You need to do better.